First of all, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, kay gitagaan ko niyag soft-spoken na partner. And sa kadaghang tao sa kalibutan, taga Sibulan Negros Oriental, di ay ang iyang ihatag sa ako ka. Maybe I must have done something right, kay God put you by my side. You have the most beautiful soul, and I know my heart is safe in the hands of a man who loves God. And loving you for 7 years is the easiest and most natural thing I've ever done.
Kung ako taga Sibulan, kung asaon na ako taga Iligan. Balag lisod kayo ang dalan, basta padlong sa imong dukan. We never thought that we can make this way. Maybe other people thought how we stay and how we manage this kind of sway. In every circumstance, we always slay. The world is great for the eyes to see, and I saw my beautiful world is in thee. I have to carry this world if you will agree, because your world is my highest plea.
The man and the woman, the groom and the bride, is the symbol of the union between God and His people. As we witness this very important event, that God will protect JR and Maymay.
Congrats kay umana naman ta gabi eh. Wa lang na dayon ang gabi eh. Saon ta pa na.
Tinuod, you are an answered prayer. And unta, na-witness ni Papa, but I know he's at peace because the man I am marrying take care of me. And you are unexpected, but ingon sila, ang unexpected is always the best. Love, JR, I vow to love you with all the love I have. Because ingon ang 1 Peter 4 verse 8, above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. I vow to create a home filled with compassion and give our future kids a complete family I never experienced.
I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground. What treasure waits within your sky?
You should realize that love is a decision. So, whatever comes our way, whether we are going to face troubles, sometimes conflict in marriages, this time is very important because you decided. It's not your emotion. You decided to love each other, to comfort, and to commit yourself to each other.
Babe,
the sky.
in this day,
Women
I
these
vow to
hit
hold
the
whatever
earth.
circumstances, to cherish you every big and little thing, and to love you for the rest of my existence.
Finally, we are going home together. I love you now and I will love you more.